The Jamaica 4-H clubs, like many across the country and the globe, is facing unprecedented times due to the onset of the COVID-19 virus. No doubt the world is changing and will continue to change after the current outbreak has passed. One thing that will remain constant, however, is the demand for food. Family backyard farming will serve as a useful strategy, and the best time to explore this concept is now. The Jamaica 4-H Clubs brings you a series aimed at sharing with you creative gardening concepts for your backyards. If you have backyard space, containers, a balcony in your apartment, or even a concrete roof, our friends at the 4-H will show you how to use your space creatively. Let's join our friends Dwayne and Demers as they take you through the steps of starting a healthy backyard garden.
Today, we'll share with you creative ways of achieving healthy backyard gardens. You don't have to worry about not having enough space. These ideas will assist you in growing crops and ensuring food security. So, Demers, what do you have for us today?
Thank you, Modi. Today, in addition to what is going on, we'll be showing you, our viewers today, how to go about utilizing our space around our homes, such as methods that we'll be using: containerized gardening, vertical farming, and rooftop farming.
This sounds interesting. Can you give us, our viewers, a definition of what these are?
Sure. Containerized garden, just as the name suggests, containers. So what we'll be using, or what can be used, are empty containers around the house or your home, such as water bottles, oil bottles, old pots that you're not using anymore. You can old bath pans, old tires, just to name a few stuff.
Okay.
Right? You can do your planting inside there. Vertical farming, just as the name also suggests, vertical. We won't be planting anything on the ground. We'll be going on the side of the house.
So utilizing the space upwards.
Upwards. So correct, Mr. Modi. Also, rooftop farming. We'll be utilizing the roof of the house. Here, we put the pots and with the crops inside there, such as vegetables, your herbs, and you can put it on top of your roof.
You mean the slab roofs?
The slab roofs, especially in areas such as Portmore, where you don't have a lot of land space to utilize. And here, it helps keep your home cool.
No need for the AC.
No need for AC, so it cut down on the electricity bill.
So now we are going to show you how to get started with two of these gardening methods.
So the first, what we're going to look at is the plot. So we will be using a small area where we'll be transplanting some seedlings into the ground. Follow me, please. Here, we have already pre-prepped a small area in the backyard at my home. In my hand, I have a garden fork that we'll be using, and I have a piece of stick that is picked up from around the yard, measuring 3 feet, which will be your planting distance of the crop in the row. Here, in my hand, is the seedling of a cucumber. Preparing. At the bottom, here, what we do, we break where the roots are. Reason why you do that the feeder roots will now be able to start using the nutrients from the soil. We don't remove the entire rooting material from around it. Seedling, because they are very tender, they are soft at this stage, and you're moving them from one environment to another. So you say that they are hardened off. Okay? So you're taking it from a cool environment, and it's coming out in the open area, so it will go through a thing called shock. Right? So this is why you do it in the early morning or late evening, so you give the plant time to adjust to the new environment that you are putting them into.
So do you provide irrigation for that?
Yes, you will have to do irrigation. I would suggest that you put some water on it as soon as possible, and as we are finished here, you apply water. Always ensure that your plants are in an upright position when you are through. So that is what we do in doing our transplant seedlings in your backyard garden.
We took you through step 1 in creative gardening concepts. Join us in the next episode to see what other concepts will be introduced. In the meantime, follow the Jamaica 4-H Clubs on social media: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Remember, your food security is your best surety. Join us again as we continue to make the best better.